What's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my BFG Goodrich Ko2 tires. These tires are the 235 75 15. The 15 is the 15-inch rims. So that's the one I went with. I went with Methods. I like these rims. They're pretty common, so you'll see them a lot on Crosstreks. They do make other colors as well, but yeah, we're not talking about that today. Today, we're going to be talking about the tires. These Ko2s are actually very, very popular. They're all-terrain tires, and they're actually my favorite ones. Even the name sounds cool. Ko2s. These are really big tires. I think they're about like the maximum you can go on a Subaru Crosstrek. They also do 225s and 215s. 215s are almost like the regular size, a tiny bit bigger. They're all terrains and you don't have to lift them. 235, I think you can lift and it has zero rub. The 235s, the one I have, it has a slight rub. Today, I'm going to answer everything that I was curious about before buying these tires. Things like, how does it sound on the road? How it feels like off-roading? How heavy are they? Are they one-man kind of job if you did pop a tire? And any concerns popping a tire? Well, let me tell you guys something. I have zero concerns about the tires being popped. These tires actually look amazing. They feel amazing, and they look like they can last a really, really long time. I have 5 of them because my spare is on top. Once you get to 235, your regular spare is not gonna fit anymore, especially if you have a 2-inch lift. So it's not gonna fit anymore, so you're gonna have 5 of these tires plus 5 of the rims. Remember, if you're getting something like this, you need 5. It can get pretty pricey, but as long as you know that they'll last a really long time, that's all that matters. When I'm driving with the Ko2s, I don't hear any crazy loud sound from the tires at all. These are super quiet and they sound amazing. Well, I can't really say they sound amazing because you don't hear anything. That's what I mean. It's like the fact that you don't hear anything, it's amazing. It feels super nice. It feels like it grips the floor really, really well. There are some screechy sounds when I'm turning, just like out of a parking lot or something. The tires, that's when you know the tires really grab onto it. When I'm off-roading, these tires actually grips the ground really nicely. I like the fact that I can pretty much climb anything and not having to worry about it. The only thing that I have to worry about is myself not being able to climb it because I'm just too scared of what's on the other side. If you guys do have this, you know, everybody who drives the Subarus are different. I've seen some people do jumps with the Subaru Crosstrek, and that's pretty intense. I can't even go up a little hill without having to worry, but doing a jump, I'm nowhere near that level yet. Lifting them is completely easy. I pretty much can take off the tires on top all by myself and then put it down on the ground all by myself. So changing out a tire won't be a problem. Let's just do some sound tests. Let's drive around, let you guys listen to the sound of the tires, and hopefully my exhaust is just not gonna overpower it. And then I'll also let you guys hear the sound from the outside. So let's go ahead and do that now. That's my video on my BFG Goodrich Ko2s. These tires has been amazing, and I know that for a fact that if these goes out, I'm gonna just buy the exact same one again because they've been so good to me. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment below. If you guys have any ideas about a video that you guys want to see in the future, write down below. Leave a comment in there. Let's chit chat about it, and then I can make that in the future. Answer any question you guys may have. Other than that, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, because I really don't know what you guys have been waiting for. Just subscribe so you can see more videos like this. All right, my name is Andy. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.